Good morning. Guess what I got? Subway. I'm gonna get ready here in a while. But I'm gonna eat first. I need to eat something first. Ah! No! I dropped it. Dude, that sandwich held on. It didn't fall apart. I'm telling you, I need a bigger desk. This is a really tiny desk. I just grabbed it real fast. And I got baked glaze. I almost thought I was gonna lose my sandwich. I'll just dump it on there, you guys. I am still trying to wake up. But I went to, what? My cat is right here. Come on. What is it? Come on. I'm gonna eat first, okay? He's wanting attention. But, I went to my friend's at work. She's still my bestie. Her birthday is in a couple of days. So I bought her some stuff. I got her a dozen of roses. My husband got her, I don't know if I'm allowed to say it, but a bong. But I got her a little personal cupcake that said happy birthday. A birthday card. She liked her gift. Also, forgot to tell you guys, it's a BLT. Cucumbers, bell peppers, red onion, spinach, salt and pepper, vinegar and oil, avocado, and the cheese is provolone. Dr. Pepper. I kind of spilt my drink coming back in. The lid wasn't on there right. So I had to throw my pullover in the laundry. And baked Lay's. I love baked Lay's. My husband's always saying it tastes like cardboard. I'm using my mirror light. My ring light is behind you, but it's not plugged in at the moment. I also got my mom and dad-in-law sandwiches from Subway. I go to work at 3, but I have to see if the salvage yard has a headlight. Hopefully it's not that much either. So good. Something different. I didn't feel like bugging Blake's this morning. I'm awful. Sorry about that. That was my father-in-law. He was checking my headlights for me. So I guess I just gotta take the car up there to the salvage yard so they can check it for me. If they have one. I think that's the brightest one. I hate it when I go shopping when I'm hungry. I still have the other half. And I'm getting full, you guys. Oh my god. It's really good though. My cats are sitting in the cubby.
Mm.
I got avocado or the oil. I don't know how I came up with this sandwich. I just started making it and started eating it like that. It tastes really good though. Sometimes I get pepper jack. It gives it a little spicy. And I also add green chili sometimes. But today I didn't add no chili. Hmm. I finally bought one of those bubble mascaras. I don't know if it's still trending or what, but I decided to try it. Colossal Bubble. It was $10. Better work too. Look at the bristles. It's like swirled. Hopefully it works. This little thing was $10. So we'll give it a try when I'm getting ready. Whew. I love the avocado. My phone's kind of jacked up right now. It keeps freezing. I want to buy a new phone, but it sucks because they're all like $300. I'm like, oh. I don't know what the cheapest one is. I need one that's cheaper but decent. Anyway, I'll let you guys go for now. Oh, excuse me. Oh my god, I am full. Anywho, keep your head held high, stay strong, don't let anybody anything take you down, and keep moving forward. That's all we can do, you guys. Alright. Bye. I'll see you in the next video. I don't know when or what we'll be eating. Right. See ya.